How to fix maximum number of attempts reached, try again in TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix the maximum number of attempts reached, try again error in TikTok. So without further ado, let's get started. When you have logged into your TikTok account for the maximum number of attempts, and if you have entered the wrong login credential, you will have an error message saying that maximum number of attempts reached, try again later. So if you have that error, here is how you can fix it. So for that, you have to go to your settings, your device settings, open up settings. Here in the search bar, simply search for a developer option. Tap on developer option. Here you have to look for two settings. So scroll all the way down and look for an option under networking that says Wi-Fi scan throttling. So if you have turned off this toggle like this, make sure to turn it on. And under that there is another option that says mobile data always active. If you have turned that off as well, make sure to turn it on. Now once you have saved both of these settings, now you can go back, you can close your settings. Now before you open up TikTok and try to log in again, navigate to the application, tap and hold on it, tap on app info. Once you're here, scroll down, then tap on battery. Here make sure you have chosen the unrestricted. Once done, you can go back, tap on storage and cache. From here, tap on clear cache. Once you have done that, now you can go back, close this, and you can open up TikTok now, and then you will be able to log in and the error message will be removed. So this is the way to fix maximum number of attempts reached, try again in TikTok, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.